In this video, we're going to be looking at some software instruments in Pro Tools. Particularly one we'll look at is called Structure. To get started, I'm going to create a new session, and I'm going to save it as Software Instruments-Jared Fowler. You should save yours as Software Instruments-your name and your partner's name. Save it on the desktop, and you're good to go. Now we want to create two instrument tracks. You can do that by going up to the track menu and pressing New, or you can press and hold the Shift, Command, and N keys on the typing keyboard. Two new stereo instrument tracks is what we want. And press Create. So the first thing I'll do is name my instrument tracks. I'll call the first one Melody, and the second one Bass track. Now, go to the Mix window by pressing Command and the equals key. Under the Inserts A through E slot, click, go to Multi-Channel Plugin, down to the Instrument menu, and select Structure Free. There it is. I'm going to choose a patch from the browser. Lots of sounds here. And I'm going to try Metalworks Lead. Sounds interesting. Chord enable it to Audition. Okay, great. Now let's go back to the Mix window, close this instance of Structure, and add another instance of Structure. This will be my bass track, so I'll select a bass sound with Ultra Fuzz Attack Bass. Let's record and enable the track to hear how it sounds. Sounds like a bass. So I've already created a few tracks, and I have a rhythm track that I've pre-made. I'll take these out and bring up the tracks that I have. When you work through the lab assignment, you'll end up having at least 3 tracks: a lead or a melody track, a bass or a rhythm track, and something that goes in the middle. In this case, since I'm making the rules, I put a bass track in the middle to sort of fill out the middle of my track, and then I have some drums and percussion playing on the bottom. I'll let it play for a few seconds, and then you can get started making your own track.